Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious essentials quickly. An M365 account with Viva Insights enabled. Once confirmed, open Outlook and enable the Viva Insights add-in from Settings or Manage Add-ins. You need that pane to proceed. Sign in when prompted and grant the required permissions so Insights can read calendar and email metadata. This is how it builds recommendations. Make sure synchronization completes before you continue. Otherwise, the suggestions will be incomplete and delayed. Now you configure and act on what Insights offers. Open the Insights pane and scan cards like focus time and well-being to see patterns. This helps prioritize. Once done, set focus time rules and quiet hours, and schedule buffers before and after meetings so you have uninterrupted blocks. Use suggested replies and meeting prep summaries to save time, and enable Cortana digests to get daily highlights. These steps change behavior because they convert raw signals into automated blocks and concise. To complete the setup, review your weekly insights and accept or decline suggested actions so the tool learns your preferences. Make small adjustments to privacy controls if you find data surfaced is too broad. This limits what Insights can analyze. If you run into problems, pane not loading or stale data, clear the Outlook add-in cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the Viva Insights add-in. This usually resolves sync or permission glitches. One troubleshooting tip: check conditional access or tenant policies that may block add-ins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.